Hi foodies, welcome back. If you're new, welcome to our channel where we bring you the simplest homemade recipe. Today's video is a simple turmeric rice recipe. Stay tuned and let's get right into the video. We are using some onions, salt, turmeric powder, frozen peas which is optional, and then I have here some rice. I'm using jasmine rice for this recipe. Basmati rice also works perfect. Some carrots which is also optional, and then some oil. So we are going to start off by pouring some oil into a saucepan, and then we'll preheat it and add some onions. We are going to stir fry the onions till it turns golden brown, and then we would continue by adding our rice. So we continue by adding our washed rice and our turmeric powder. You can decide not to wash your rice, it's totally optional. At this point, we are going to add our salt as well. And then we'll be stirring until all the turmeric powder is mixed with the rice properly. So you see that once it's mixed properly, the rice is gonna turn yellow. So once it's all mixed up, I go ahead and add my water. The quantity of water you use depends on the type of rice you are using. Usually I use 1 cup of rice to 1 cup of water, so you can tell that the bowl I used in measuring the rice is the same bowl I used in measuring the water. So you cover and then you let it boil. Then finally we add our vegetables when our rice is ready. I add the vegetables last minute when the rice is ready because I want the carrots to still stay crunchy and the frozen peas to also still stay fresh. So once I add the vegetables, I mix it up with the rice and then I turn off the heat and cover for some few minutes before serving. This is what helps the vegetables to still stay fresh, crunchy, and nice. I love turmeric rice because of how flavorful and colorful it looks. If you are a mom, your kids would really love this, and it's so tasty, so everybody is gonna love this. I served mine with some chicken stir fry, so if you haven't watched a chicken stir fry recipe, you can check it out. I would link it up so you check it out.
Pains, P-double-T, pains.
If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the red button and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell notification so you get notified whenever we post new videos. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below if you love this recipe. Until we come your way next time, hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you once again for watching.